What's up, everybody? Back down in the shop this week. We've just got a quick simple one. Gonna see if we can't fix some of the rust in this gas tank. But I've got some white vinegar. You can do like a 50-50 mixture of that and water. Kind of let it sit in there for a couple of days and it's supposed to take care of it. So let's get right into it. So we'll let this sit for a couple days, see what happens. While we're waiting on this, we actually got our first channel sponsor, turbonectar.com. So we'll go ahead and roll a commercial from them. If y'all want to go check it out, links are in the description, all that stuff. But it's been about 48 hours since we put the white vinegar and the water mixture in here. Went ahead and got out my little electric pressure washer. We're going to dump this junk out, hit it with the pressure washer for a little bit and see if it worked. Well, it looks like there actually are some clean spots in there, so that's promising. Hopefully this pressure washer's got enough to blast whatever's left out of there. Alright, I guess let's hop over to a time lapse and then I'll show you how it turned out. Well, so far so good. This thing is looking almost new again. Well, I'm going to take some air now and try and get as much moisture out of there as I can. Then run the vacuum in there just to get any last little bit out. And then we'll take a look at it. Well, as y'all can see here, it's definitely not perfect, but it is way better than it was before. Here's a little clip of how it was before. You can see just completely rusted out. You can't see any silver or anything anywhere. And then here it is now. But I think if I did a second round of the same thing, it would probably come out pretty much perfect. I'm definitely really happy with how it's turned out. I probably should have used a little bit heavier mixture. I ended up doing 4 gallons of white vinegar and like probably 6 gallons, maybe 7 gallons of water. But I guess we'll go ahead and finish this video out, get it edited and get it posted for y'all. And then next weekend I'll do round 2, and then I'll just post a picture of how it turned out on Instagram. So if y'all want to check that out, the link for the Instagram is in the description below. Figure there's not really any point in filming the same thing over again. Y'all get the idea. It definitely works. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Whenever you're done with this, it will flash rust. So you're gonna want to throw a little bit of gas or diesel or something in there and just kind of coat it. I hope this helps some of y'all out. I'm pretty excited that it worked out. Definitely want to make some progress on it and get it up and running soon. But we gotta get this out of the way first. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week for another one.